Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Just a quick video on this Owari Satsuma from Full Wind Growers. Wind or Winds? Purchased this last year, and I think I had it outside all summer in the container that it was shipped in. And I've been meaning to up-pot this. I did purchase a clay pot with the intention of repotting it, and just didn't get around to it. And a couple of weeks ago it started forming buds and is now loaded. In fact, a lot of them are past and have fallen, starting to fall. The petals starting to fall. Ignore the mess with the window, just overuse of spray foam. Trying to cut down on energy costs this winter. But looks like I've got a bunch of fruit that has set, and I'm sure most of these will drop. There's no way this tree can support many fruit. This limb down here is just loaded with flowers now. And I've been using a Q-tip to pollinate the flowers, and I have been letting it dry out. It dries out pretty quickly because of the pot that it's in currently. And occasionally spray it with a water bottle in the bathroom, soak it down. But now with the sun, I did have this contact paper I put on the window here to try to temper the sun. This is a southern facing window. Got new growth here, but yeah, I know they sell now a growing medium from Full Wind Growers that I was thinking of getting. It's this bark material here, and I said I was just going to use some citrus bark, Miracle Grow citrus bark, but now I'm kind of wondering if I should order that stuff, because it's this type of material here. But yeah, I've been doing foliage or folio feeding, diluted fertilizer, and yeah. So this is Owari Satsuma. Let's see, the middle. I think it started with forming blossoms maybe the end of February. So now I know what the time frame is, and I think that these fruit are supposed to be maturing, maybe in November. And if I get this up-potted, maybe I'll get some fruit to mature. But I thought I'd just do a quick video here on this Owari Satsuma. And this time, I was able to get a citrus tree without any, even though I had it outside all summer last year. I saw a couple of leaves that were chewed up, probably from some flying insect, but never had any scale, any aphids, any problems with this particular tree. Although I know I had citrus in the past, and then I ended up getting rid of an Owari Satsuma that I could not get rid of the cushiony cottony scale. Is that what it is? And it was just so big, I said I wasn't going to get citrus. Again, because of moving them around, it was getting too much, but I ended up getting this last year. And had it outside, never got around to repotting it, and brought it inside pretty early. I didn't want to wait, because that's one of the problems with citrus in cold weather climates, is the transition So I think I brought it in maybe in September or August. It became a house plant and got some new growth and the flowers. So just a quick video here, and this Owari Satsuma from, does it say on here? No, it's just Owari Satsuma Mandarin Folding Grows. Thanks for watching. And it smells great.